As far as the week number 3 stuff goes, pretty self-explanatory. If you're looking at the assignments, we have reading the rest of chapter 5 with classical Greece. I think the best way to look at that is, yes, the narrated PowerPoint, but also that video that I posted, which relates to the engineering and empire for Greece, and our forum assignment for this week is a great way to look at Greece during the classical age, up into and through Pericles and all those guys. So make sure you're viewing that and taking notes on that, as that will be part and parcel of the week 3 test, which is due this coming Sunday night. The second part of this week's material is we open up our discussion of Rome, specifically Republican Rome. And if you're looking at your reading, we have from our textbook, chapter 6, right here. And we're going to be reading from pages 144 to 155. So beginning here with chapter 6, and then reading up to page 155 with the death of Julius Caesar and the coming of Caesar Augustus. All right, and then including in there is our source reading, which is our second assignment this week. The writing assignment is on source number 6-1, as you can see here, beginning on page 117, and that is the 12 tables of Rome. And the 12 tables is basically the Roman constitution during the Republican era. And that Republican era runs from about the 500s down to the beginning of the imperial period of Rome, which is when Caesar Augustus formally takes power in 31 BCE. So if you're looking at those assignments, we have the Greece Engineering and Empire assignment, then we have our reading on Republican Rome, and then one of the more important things I want you to focus on for this week is that Carthage Engineering and Empire video. Now, even though there's no assignment related to that Carthage video, it's really important for you to understand how, if you look back here behind me in the Mediterranean, how Rome and Carthage right here in North Africa were able to really compete with one another for dominance of the Mediterranean, specifically over those vital shipping lanes in Sicily. And so make sure that you're watching that video and taking notes on it, because that's going to be important for your general understanding of Rome and its growth, as well as the whole aspect of Mediterranean history during the classical era.